Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach us on how to create any kind of design, any kind of flyer for business, for anything at all using artificial intelligence. Very simple. You know what? We are creating this particular flyer using the popular AI tool called ChatGPT. Yes, that is what we are going to be using to create these amazing flyers, beautiful flyers for business and for any kind of thing, for anything you want to do at all. It's very simple for you to create flyers using this tool. So now I want you to pay right attention and watch this video from the beginning to the end, as I'm going to put you through the step-by-step tutorial on how you can be able to create amazing flyers like this in just 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes with just simple click and just a single prompt. Let's get started. All right, so as you can see, one of the first thing that must be done is we must do is finding a template. First of all, you want to see the kind of design you want. Let's say you want a flyer, the kind of design you want. Now let us first of all get the template. This is how to get the template. Now you could either look for any kind of design you want, maybe on Facebook or anywhere you see a specific flyer and you like the design and you would like to recreate the design for your business. It's very simple. If you don't want to recreate anybody's own, you can actually have your own idea and create it using ChatGPT. Now let us get started. Now this tutorial, you can also do the same thing using your mobile phone. It's still the same step, no difference. Now let's get started. First of all, let us get our template. Now you are going to go to Google to get your template. This is how I used to get my own template. What I used to do is that I goes to Google, I say, okay, now let me type. I say supermarket business flyer poster my wall template. So I love getting my own reference from poster my wall website. So you can, after doing that, you will come to this place and you now click on this first link. Like I said, you can get your own template from anywhere. You can see here are many templates, many designs, flyer designs that we can pick from. As you can see, these are beautiful designs, very beautiful design. As you can see, I love this one. Yes, I love this design. Since I love this design, I am going to use this one. So now let's get this as a template. Click on the pen icon. After doing that, you are going to wait for it to load. Now, like I said, we are getting a reference. You can actually use this website to create any kind of design you want. As you can see, this is very editable. You can edit it, just change the words, anything you can see. You can use this tool to create any design you want for your business. But because this tutorial is about creating using artificial intelligence, this is not artificial intelligence, it is a template. Now, for us to create something like this using AI, let us first download this. Now click on the download button and wait for it to download. So we are going to wait for it to download. So it's already downloading. So this is all about getting reference. Like I said earlier, you can get your reference from Facebook, from anywhere at all. So once you see a beautiful design, you can use it as a reference to generate something like this. Now, one of the things you must notice, if you like this website, okay, if you like poster my wall, you can always come here to get your designs, anything you want. You can see they have beautiful templates. You can just edit them, change the words, and you are good to go. So now we have gotten our template. Now let's move on to ChatGPT. Here we are, ChatGPT. So the next thing now, let's create a new chat. Now we are going to ask ChatGPT. First of all, let us upload the video, the photo, the flyer reference we just downloaded. We are going to bring it here. Now let's click on, okay, as you can see, we have it here. Okay, so now you are going to ask ChatGPT, you say, hi, carefully observe this flyer and write a beautiful detailed prompt. Pointing out every details in the flyer. As you can see, this is very good, pointing out every details in the flyer. Now let us allow ChatGPT to do the work. So now we are waiting. Now ChatGPT has analyzed this particular flyer and write a powerful prompt, as you can see, and now have written a powerful prompt that we can use to generate our own. So now, first of all, now let us copy the prompt. As you can see, we have the prompt. Now this prompt is very powerful. We can use it in tools like Google VEO. We can use it in Midjourney. We can use it in DALL-E. We can use it in Canva AI to create or customize a flyer with a similar structure. So, but that is an advanced way of doing it. But for now, because this tutorial is majorly creating flyers or design using ChatGPT. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to ask ChatGPT to use this prompt it just generated and recreate this particular flyer. Now let us write. Okay. Now, you now write. Now, use this prompt you generated and recreate this particular flyer exactly, no difference. Now let us wait. Okay, now as you can see, ChatGPT is doing the work. So what we have to do now is just to wait for ChatGPT to do the process. So like I said earlier, we can use this particular pattern. You can use it to design different kind of design. Okay, now look at this. There are many. You can copy any of these designs. You can get it from get your designs from Facebook. You can get your flyer pattern or template anywhere. You can get those things. You can get it from anywhere and you can use it for your design. So it's all about getting a good template. Yes. So we are waiting for ChatGPT to do the work. So ChatGPT is already doing the work. We are really ready. Okay guys, our flyer is fully ready. As you can see, this is amazing. This is mind blowing. Can you see? See, look at what we got now and look at the reference. Can you see? This is the sample we give. This is the prompt generated, and look at how it was designed exactly. No difference. Can you see that? So for the write-up, some people will you might be asking, for the write-up, how can I change the write-up? So this is how you can change the write-up. So for you to change the write-up, as you can see, this is so detailed, high quality that you can now download it here. As you can see, you can now download it. It's now downloaded. So some of us may be asking, what about the words and the details, the phone numbers and everything? How can we change the price and all that? That is very simple. Listen carefully as I'm going to teach you on how you can do that. This is how you can do that. First of all, you have to copy this prompt. Okay, so you copy the prompt generated. After copying the prompt, you paste the prompt. So first of all, you copy the prompt, then you now edit any details you want to customize. Yes, you now edit all the details you want to customize. Let's say in terms of the price, you can change the price to Naira, say 2,000 Naira, or this 5,000 Naira. You do that. So after changing the price, you just hit enter, and the moment you enter, that's how it is done. As you can see, guys, it's very, very simple. Very simple. Very simple. So guys, this is the way you can actually use ChatGPT to generate, to create, to design any kind of flyer you want to design. You can decide to add your own image and everything will work fine. You can see everything was done using ChatGPT. So in case you be like, oh, what if I want to customize the design from the beginning to the end by myself? So what you're going to do is that you just try to write the prompt by yourself. Make it still, ensure that your sentences are well spaced, correct, and just hit enter, and ChatGPT will do the magic for you. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something. Please, if you are blessed by this video, do well to subscribe and hit the like button and also share. See you next time. I always release new videos every day for you on this channel, this platform. See you next time. Bye.